Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get prepared for a wild week on next week. It will be a roller coaster ride, being for the fact that that bullish market is still bound to happen in October, guys. October is still on track to be one of the best performing months that we've seen all year. It's already proven to be already the best performing month all year, guys. If you not noticed, last month September was the worst performing month of all 2022. It hasn't been that bad since 2020, guys, around the pandemic. So with that being said, right here in October, around the 3rd and the 4th, we had the best two performing days that we seen all year long. We performing like we did back in June, July. That's one of the best performing months. So that being said, guys, it's definitely still looking good for October. But being for the fact that we will have some data released on next week, we know how data can shift up the market and mood changes. So that being said, guys, it will be very choppy. Being before that is released to see exactly what the economy still stands at before we could see exactly how the market is going to digest it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Now further share my opinion on how I believe things are going to play out. So Dow futures fall 170 points to start the week with key inflation data earnings ahead. Stock futures are lower Sunday night as the market come out of a crazy week, and traders look ahead to key reports coming in the next week that can offer insights into the health of the economy. So the futures connected to the Dow Jones average slid 0.6%, S&P 500 futures dropped 0.7%, while the Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.8%. Markets observers generally consider the week ahead as the kickoff to earnings seasons, with four of the world's largest banks, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, and Citi, reporting Friday. So guys, as we know inflation is still, taking us on a crazy ride. Rising inflation, interest rates steady going up, and we still got more to come. So with that being said, that's why I also believe October should be a good month for us, because we don't have a rate hike coming this month, but we have one coming next month whenever the Feds have its meeting. So with that being said, we'll already be running up anticipation before that happen, and then the dare comes to drop on next month after the market run up severely on this month, guys. So that's my opinion on that. So we also know Tesla, guys. Like I say, I like to call out, let you guys know when good opportunities come about. Opportunity is here, and that's Tesla, guys. I wouldn't go full-fledged all in right now. I do believe it could pull back a bit more after it bounce up a little bit. I know it's going to bounce from here, but I do see it possibly coming back down a bit more, guys, a bit further, because the market is right now in a state of shaking out and scaring a lot of people, guys. So that being said, a lot of people is the retail investors, the people that don't have the right tools to know this is the time to be being greedy. This one you want to be more greedier now than ever before. So with that being said, guys, Tesla is definitely on the radar. I'll be adding into that position for a long-term hold. We know, for the ones that don't know, for the ones that do know, we know Tesla is now getting into robots and all that mess. They now making robots, about to be making them for companies. I'm pretty sure, I made a video about this. I'm pretty sure they're going to scale it all the way up and be selling just as many robots as they is cars. The average robots from their competitors is about $75,000 to $80,000. Tesla trying to make a robot for $20,000 a robot. You do the math. Once they get these things, way more advanced and go ahead and catch up, because Tesla move fast, and I believe in Elon. If he go ahead and take this to the next level, this could be a crazy, jump in revenue, profits, and all around success for Tesla. So you definitely want to be looking at that, have that on your radar, guys. And I don't, I ain't did my full DD on the robot, so I don't know exactly how everything is around that. So I'm not going to, speak too much about it. But I do know they doing that, and that's just, my whole outlook on the robot situation and my plans that I could see before it even happened with what these billionaires is about to do. Because basically, the more money they get, only thing they trying to do now is buy time. They trying to buy their time back. That's why they making these jets and these trains and all these things to get to the other side of the world in just a couple hours, because it's buying their time back. They able to do, one day in the future, they gonna be able to live so fast. Like they be like, dang, what you did today? And somebody will tell you, man, I been to Paris. I went to Mexico. went to Jamaica, and came back to the States. Had dinner with my aunt. Then I went, did all that in one day. And you wondering how? It's because the speed limits increased. Cars going to the 100 miles per hour, planes going faster. The whole world going to speed up. Same thing on the robots gonna make the world speed up. But anyways, you already know, man. Invest, invest, invest. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.